how to disconnect Steam account from Faceit. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to first open our browser right here. And then once you're now on your browser, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for faceit.com. So once you do that, just click on enter. And then once you click enter, you will be redirected into this website. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click your profile icon. So once you click your profile icon, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on account settings. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on integrations. So once you click integrations, just scroll down until you see Steam. So in this case, this is where it is located under the game platforms. So as you can see, this is my Steam account. Now to disconnect it, what we're going to do is to click on turn off. So once you click turn off, click confirm. So once you do that, as you can see, we now have turned off our Steam account right here. And then if we refresh our website, your Steam account should now be disconnected from Faceit. However, if it is still right here, then the next thing that we need to do is to contact Faceit support. So what we're going to do is to go here once again on the upper right corner of the screen and then click profile. And then just look for support. And then after that, you can now use it to contact Faceit support, and then they will now be able to assist you to fully disconnect Steam account from your Faceit account. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to disconnect Steam account from Faceit.